You will never escape the beginner phase if you keep up with certain traits. Today, we are breaking down exactly why most traders stay stuck as beginners, and more importantly, how you can get out. Here's the thing. Most traders think they're improving, but they're not. They're just consuming more information. Look, you watch more YouTube videos. You learn new strategies. You add more indicators. You follow more traders. And it feels like progress. But it's not. It's like going to the gym, watching workout videos, buying supplements, but never actually training consistently. Now here's what most people don't realize. According to multiple brokerage reports, including data from firms like eToro and IG, between 70% to 80% of retail traders lose money consistently, not because they don't have access to information, but because they never transition from learning to executing. And that's the trap. Look, I know you're probably thinking, but what if my strategy just isn't good enough? Fair question, but here's what most people do. They try a strategy for 3 trades, maybe 5 trades. They hit a loss and immediately switch. Then they repeat that cycle over and over and over again. Now let's do some simple math. Let's say a strategy has a 50% win rate, a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. That is a profitable system, but over 10 trades, you could easily get 4 wins, 6 losses, which feels like failure. But over 100 trades, you're profitable. This is where it gets really interesting. Because beginners don't fail due to bad systems. They fail because they never stick with one long enough to see the edge. It's like planting a seed, then digging it up every day to check if it's growing. Of course it won't. Here's the thing. Beginner traders are obsessed with money. How much can I make today? How fast can I grow this account? How do I flip this account? But that focus is exactly what keeps them stuck. Let me explain. Let's say you start with $100. You want to make $1,000 quickly, so you risk 50% per trade. First loss, $50. Second loss, $25. Third loss, $12.50. You're basically wiped out. Now compare that to risking 2% per trade. First loss, $2. Second loss, $2. Third loss, $2. You're still in the game. Here's what most people don't realize. Trading is not about making money fast. It's about staying in the game long enough to develop skill, and skill takes time. And this is actually why I created my Telegram channel, because most traders don't need more random strategies. They need structured guidance and real-time insight. Inside the channel, I share market breakdowns, trade ideas, signals, and updates as they happen. So you're not just guessing what to do. You're seeing how decisions are made in real time. If you're serious about improving, you'll find the link in the description. Look, this is where most traders underestimate the game. They think trading is technical analysis indicators, chart patterns. But in reality, trading is mostly psychological. Here's a simple example. You have a strategy. It tells you to hold for a 2-to-1 reward, but the price moves in your favor slightly, then pulls back, and you panic. You close early, then it goes to your target. Again, and again, and again. That's not a strategy problem. That's a psychology problem. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how do I fix that? First, you need to understand it. Your brain is wired for survival, not for trading. So when you see profit, your brain says, take it before it disappears. When you see loss, your brain says, avoid pain. But profitable trading requires doing the opposite, and that's uncomfortable. Here's the thing. Most beginners don't actually have a system. They have random entries, emotional exits, inconsistent risk, and then they wonder why results are inconsistent. Let me simplify it. A real system answers 4 questions. When do I enter? When do I exit? How much do I risk? When do I not trade? If you can't answer those clearly, you're not trading, you're guessing. And guessing is not a business model. And honestly, this is something I emphasize a lot in my Telegram community, because I don't just drop signals. I break down why the trade is taken where the risk is placed, what invalidates the setup, so you're actually learning the system behind it. If you want that level of clarity instead of confusion, you already know where the link is.